What's up? Welcome to vlog number 93, and today I don't know what we're gonna do again. The random stuff, and I just finished. This morning I uploaded vlog number 91, part 1 and part 2. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna upload this, and of course vlog number 92. And yeah, and it is official that we're going on the mountain trip. I think it is official. We're going like on the 16th of August and coming back like the 20th before school starts. And yeah, so we like might leave on a Thursday or Friday, come back Monday, and they have hiking, streams and stuff you can go see, and they have great mountain views. And yeah, and go check out vlog number 91 part 1 and part 2, and I show a little bit of looking up hotels, or not hotels but cabins and stuff. So yeah, it is a beautiful day. Blue skies. That was weird. Come on. Ah.
Up real quick. I need to figure out what to do about my blinker myself, but I don't know where to get the bulbs.
Oh
No, I want to stop this thing. No.
Oh, I'm gonna crash! Oh no. Like a nerd. brother doesn't know if it's the right place. There he is. Of course. Why would I be aiming at a random person? I guess I'm waiting. I am ugly.
Plain with just the cheese and the bacon.
What's the drink?
One Coke and one Dr. Pepper.
God. There's an ant. There's an ant on it. God, there's some Bigfoot film. Oh God. Don't talk to me, I'm lying down and pooping. That wasn't funny.
Hi, Bianca. Carmel is now at your fingertips. The app tells where you are and cars that are within minutes from you. Simply decide if you need Carmel now or Carmel later. Tell us where you want to go and choose the car you want. And that's it. You can even see your cars and approaches. And off you go.